Hi guys, today we will be doing the Christmas raffle and we will be choosing 5 winners. We're going to start backwards, so the first 2 tickets we pull will be our third winners. Our first winner will win a gold diamond moonlight. Our second winners will win 3 Christmas lash trays. And our third winners will win a Christmas microfiber tweezer set. Thank you guys for shopping with us. So we have all our tickets in here. We'll give it a good shake. Okay. Our first winner is Jocelyn Marbun. Congratulations, you won a microfiber tweezer set. We'll put that right there. Shake it again. Okay, our third place winner is Delilah. Congratulations, you also won a microfiber tweezer set. Okay, our second place winner is Lupe the Loving. Congratulations, you won 3 Christmas trays. Our second place winner is Dulce. Congratulations, you also won 3 lash trays. Okay. Our first place winner is Sherlyn Lashed by Sher. Congratulations, you won our moonlight up here. Thank you for everyone participating.
Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.